Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of interesting farm animals, including pigs and piglets, my tractor, Sam the dog, Hank the farmer, chickens and roosters, mallard ducks, my Simmental bull, cow and calf. Oh, and that's my turkey. A Frisian bull and a Frisian calf, some ducklings, a duck, and more roosters. Give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. We have a fun ending today when the pigs have a race. This is Margaret, my egg collector. She also helps with feeding the rabbits. Can you tell me how many piglets in today's video? She gets cross with the roosters when they get in the roof. She's going to get them down. Out! Get out! Go on! Oh, they listened. Job well done, Margaret. Let's move that ladder. The Simmental bull. The Simmental cattle breed originated from Switzerland and has since grown to become one of the dominant dual-purpose breeds, used for both beef production and for milk. They have also been used as draft animals, which means a strong working animal used to draw a load like a cart or to work a plough. Simmental bulls are well-muscled animals, being long and deep-bodied with strong bones, making them quite a large-framed, muscled animal. The Simmental cow grazing. The cows have a good temperament and high milk production, although they can be aggressive when protecting their calves. They have white markings on the belly, chest, head and body. Notice the tail switch and legs are white. The Simmental cattle have dark, large pigmented eye patches and horns. She looks a bit cross there. The Simmental calf. Calves are often born at yearly intervals. The mother cow is a good milk producer, which can be seen in the size of her udder. The calves are able to grow rapidly when put out to pasture as well. The Frisian bull. This breed originated from the Netherlands. Modern Frisians have a white coat with distinctive sharply defined black patches. Northern European countries generally breed Frisians for optimum milk production, whereas most Southern European nations focus on Frisian beef production. The Frisian can be one of two coat colours. Most commonly it's white with black patches or white with red patches. The breed is generally found in the Netherlands, USA and the UK. The Frisian calf, how cute is that? Calves are born weighing about 45 kilos on average and are fast growing. They are able to stand soon after birth and nurse from their mother. A 3D surprise. I know what's in there because I've looked on the side of the packet. There it is, it's a pig. Definitely a pig snout. Oh wow, 24 pieces. I'll make that off camera. And here it is. Pigs are very clean animals. They keep their toilets far from their living or eating areas. Even piglets, only a few hours old, will leave the nest to relieve themselves. Pigs are very playful animals too. Oh, there's a fun ending. You're going to enjoy this one. The Yorkshire Sow. This breed comes from Yorkshire in the United Kingdom. They have a light pink colour skin with vertical ears and a little dished face. They are large and lean. The sows have a heavy milk production for raising their piglets and are very caring mothers. Pigs are omnivores, meaning that they eat both plants and other animal food. She can smell something. I've been cutting up apples. This is my Yorkshire female piglet. Litters of piglets can vary in size from between 6 and 12 piglets. I think she can smell the apples as well. The mallard duck. All domestic ducks are descended from either the mallard or the Muscovy duck. The male mallard has a glossy green head, grey wings and belly, while the female has a brown speckled plumage. A male duck is called a drake, a female duck a hen, and a baby duck is a duckling. Ducks are omnivores, feeding on aquatic plants, small fish, grubs, worms and insects. And here we have another one. Mallard ducks are dabbling ducks, which mean they feed on the surface of the water, on land, or by ducking their head under the water. Ducks are related to swans and geese. This is a female duck. She is a brown mottled colour to blend in with the undergrowth to protect herself and her nest. All ducks have highly waterproof feathers due to the feathers' interlocking nature and waxy coating. Ducks have featured as popular cartoon characters over the years, such as Disney's Donald Duck and Warner Brothers' Daffy Duck. The ducklings. Females quack to call other ducks to them. Usually they're baby ducklings. A mother duck will usually lay around 10 eggs in a nest. Once the ducklings hatch out of the eggs, the mother duck will lead them to the edge of the water. The ducklings in a short amount of time can swim, waddle, find food and feed themselves. The classic pig. The pig snout is the most important tool for sensing what is around them and for finding food. Feet are called trotters. Pigs have 4 toes on each hoof, but only walk on 2 toes per foot. Pigs don't have sweat glands, so to cool off they roll around in the mud to cool their skin. The layer of dried mud protects their skin from the hot sun. The classic piglet. A pig can run a 7-minute mile. There are around 2 billion pigs in the world. Pigs are highly intelligent and very playful. The turkey. Individual turkeys have unique voices. This sound they make is called a gobble. They recognize each other by their calls. Like peacocks, male turkeys puff up their bodies and display their elaborate feathers to attract a mate. Turkeys have between 5,000 to 6,000 feathers. The long fleshy object over a male's beak is called a snood. Turkeys are intelligent and sensitive animals and are highly social. And this is Sam, my border collie. They are an energetic, fun dog and was originally bred to help herd sheep. They are considered the top obedience dogs and the most intelligent of the dog breeds. Here's a beautiful dog. When I'm not in charge, he's in charge. And this is my farmer, Hank. He's a really good worker and keeps an eye on the animals all the time. Remember to stay for the fun ending. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more fun videos. See you again soon. Sam's organised a pig race. Off they go. Yum. For more dinosaur videos, click the picture. Please remember to share, subscribe and like. Thank you.